What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about ShapeShift. Guys, did you get your free Fox tokens? So we talked about ShapeShift on the channel a while back, and if you would have signed up, you would have gotten the free airdrop of 500 Fox tokens, currently worth about $600, $700 right now. But anyways, guys, what is ShapeShift? So they did have a integration with Thorchain, aka Rune. Rune is a crazy cryptocurrency. I really like that project. Again, not financial advice, but you guys can check it out on the channel and see what's going on with it. Just to sum it up, what they're doing is they're allowing you to buy actual Bitcoin without having it wrapped on Ethereum. That is massive, because before the only way to do it are on exchanges or meeting up with another person, which is somewhat of a drawback. So you can consider this the Craigslist of, well, not Craigslist, this would be like the eBay of Bitcoin, except it's decentralized eBay, so pretty cool. But anyways, guys, so I'm going to show you a couple features on ShapeShift, and this is pretty interesting. They have something called Rainfall Rewards. I'm going to go over this a bit so you guys can understand it, but you can actually link this with a wallet, a ledger. You need a Portis. You can also download the software wallet, which is the ShapeShift wallet, and you can claim 10 free Fox tokens. And if you want to earn some bonus Fox, here's an additional 10. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get a extra bonus on the ShapeShift token. So you just, I'll send you guys a link. I'll leave it in the description below. But when you use this link, you'll get 10 extra Fox. So pretty interesting, cool how it works. And I will explain the benefit of the Fox token later in the video. And yes, it does include getting random airdrops. Pretty cool. So you can play around with this, but basically what's so interesting about ShapeShift is the trades are basically commission free. So you can trade these tokens, and on the Ethereum gas fees, they pay you back in Fox tokens. So technically you aren't paying gas fees, you aren't paying trading fees. It's basically commission free trading. So this is like super massive. And let me show you how this works. So we'll do 1 Ethereum just so you guys can see the example. So we'll do 1 ETH. What am I doing? I'm just typing in 1. That's not even a token. So we're going to go back to here and we're going to do 1 ETH. So you got to connect your wallet. I'm going to go ahead and connect that now. They're going to search for the best rates. It's almost like a 1-inch, and you get to preview the trade. You can see the difference is going to be about 70 bucks right now. Now, why is it 70 bucks? Well, this is why. It shows the miner fees are this. So that is just Ethereum, and you can't fix that. And look, I'm getting 23 Fox tokens back. That is awesome. And the reason I do that, or I'm getting the gas fees free, is because I have Fox tokens. So it's not fully it's not fully free, like with the transactions and the gas fees being just for anyone. You have to hold these Fox tokens. So that's the incentive for the Fox token. And this is another incentive for the Fox token. So check this out. So if you go under this setting where it talks about the Rainfall Rewards, you randomly get airdropped USDC. This is awesome. In fact, I just got randomly airdropped today. So I was like, oh, hey, maybe I should show this. Just because I'm holding Fox today, I just got $1. Okay, yeah, it's not that much. But if you look, you guys can see this guy got $4, $9, $37, $1, $3, $6, $18, $25, $1. So you guys can see they're entirely random. It's almost like a lottery drawing, but look, you can earn some real cash just for holding these Fox tokens. I mean, in fact, they're just airdrop. So who cares? They're free. You get a free chance at earning this. Look at this. Massive gains, guys. It's a lot of fun too. I've actually won a couple times, and then I was able to get some Fox tokens too. So really fun. Anyways, guys, use the link in the description to get a bonus. But make sure you use either. I would recommend getting a hardware wallet and using it. This would be a great excuse to get a hardware wallet. There's a link in the description below as well for 20% off a Ledger wallet. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash out the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new video. And let's go and talk about the Rainfall Rewards a little more. Here's how it works. Start by collecting Fox tokens. Increase your odds of winning as many Fox tokens as you can. Watch the winners feed like we just showed you. Every random user with Fox tokens wins a USDC reward. That's really the main thing you need to know. And if you check out this dashboard, I'm not going to link my wallet to it right now, but you can see it actually has a full listing of all the assets, and then it will have on a sidebar over here, it'll show you all your recent trades, any of the airdrops you would have gotten, any tokens that were received in your wallet. So it's a good way to check your wallet, see what's going on, see if you're missing anything, see if you just won some random money just from an airdrop. And let's go ahead and talk about the Fox token as well. The Fox token not only gives you the free gas trades, it puts you into the lottery, the random lottery to win USDC, but it also allows you to have not a stake, but it has a vote in the network. And this is a really interesting network. I recommend you guys check out ShapeShift and actually use it, because you can actually swap regular Bitcoin for Ethereum, use it to swap for BNB. I mean, there's so many different things you guys can do. I highly recommend you guys check out the website and look, no KYC, no commission, and a simplified DEX through a single user-friendly interface. I showed you guys how easy it is to use. And when you're holding these Fox tokens, you're going to get incentivized to use them. And this is Eric Voorhees actually created this platform. And it's a really interesting platform. He did a very good job with it. Guys, I highly recommend you take a look at it. Not financial advice. This is just my opinion on the project. I'm just showing you what they're doing and how they're changing the game. And guys, we will go ahead and give you guys the best part about the video, which is Proverbs chapter 28 verses 8. Whoever increases wealth by taking interest or profit from the poor amasses it for another. Who will be kind to the poor? Guys, be nice to everyone, even peeps when they're poor. Don't be that guy who's like, yeah, I'm only going to do something for you because I know something's in it for me. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both. And you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step 1 of the triple threat. Alright Drake, I did step 1. What's step 2? Alright guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step 2 of the triple threat. Or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one. Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BlockFi account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BlockFi, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.